It is given here. Carbon monoxide and hydrogen gases react to produce different products in presence of different catalysts. And the question is, which ability of the catalyst is shown by these reactions? The answer is selectivity of catalyst. It refers to its ability to direct a chemical reaction towards producing a specific product even when multiple possible reactions or product could occur. In other words, a selective catalyst favors one reaction pathway over others, leading to a desired product with minimal formation of side products. A selective catalyst controls which bonds break and form during a chemical reaction, steering the process to yield the preferred product. The same catalyst can show different selectivities depending on the reactant and reaction conditions such as temperature and pressure. High selectivity is crucial in industrial process to maximize the yield and minimize the waste or byproducts, and it improves both efficiency and cost effectiveness.